So here we are, we're editing the basic HTML page. And here in the buttons, we can add a styles button. When we do that, I'm going to add it over here in tools. We now have some options here for the styles dropdown. And it says it's a list of classes that will be provided in the styles dropdown. And we provide them in this format, the class, and then a pipe, and then the label for it, or title. So we already have the CSS ready for us. Let's grab that. It's in this 28 callout style.css. And I'm going to copy this, and we'll add it to our CSS injector. I'll open the site in a new tab here, and I'll go to CSS injector. Let's add a new one here. We'll call it Wysiwyg styles, and I'll paste in the code. We'll let this show on every page, and I'll click save. And now the style was MA callout. I'm going to copy that selector, and I'll go back to our text format. And in the styles, we want the style. This requires that we provide an HTML element as well. So just for now, we're going to set this to paragraph. And then we want a pipe, and then the label. And we'll call this callout. So let's save this, and let's go to our test page. I'll go to content and edit the delete me page. Now at this point, if you run into any problems with these styles not displaying, you may need to resave the basic HTML text format. Okay, so here's our text. So if we look at the source, this is a paragraph, and so we can apply our style to it. And I'll select callout. And now we don't see anything here, and that's because the Wysiwyg uses separate CSS rules from the rest of the site. If we had a custom theme with some CSS, we could add a CSS file to the Wysiwyg through the theme, but we can't do that just with CSS injector. But let's save it, and let's take a look at it. I'm going to click on delete me to go to the page. Okay, so it looks like our styling is still being applied.